Hebrews 6. Therefore, leaving the principles of the doctrine of Mashiach, let us go on unto perfection, not laying again the foundation of repentance from dead works, and of belief toward Yahuwah, of the doctrine of immersions, and of laying on of hands, and of resurrection of the dead, and of eternal judgment. And this will we do, if Yahuwah permit. For it is impossible for those who were once enlightened, and have tasted of the heavenly gift, and were made partakers of the Ruach HaKodesh, and have tasted the good word of Yahuwah, and the powers of the world to come, if they shall fall away, to renew them again unto repentance, seeing they execute again unto themselves the Son of Elohim, and put him to an open shame. For the earth which drinks in the rain that comes oft upon it, and brings forth herbs meet for them by whom it is dressed, receives blessing from Elohim. But that which bears thorns and briars is rejected, and is nigh unto cursing, whose end is to be burned. But, beloved, we are persuaded better things of you, and things that accompany Yeshua, salvation, though we thus speak. For Elohim is not unrighteous to forget your work and labor of love, which ye have showed toward his name, in that ye have ministered to the Kodashim, and do minister. And we desire that every one of you do show the same diligence to the full assurance of hope unto the end, that ye be not slothful, but followers of them who through belief and patience inherit the promises. For when Elohim made promise to Abraham, because he could swear by no greater, he swore by himself, saying, surely blessing I will bless you, and multiplying I will multiply you. And so, after he had patiently endured, he obtained the promise. For men truly swear by the greater, and an oath for confirmation is to them an end of all strife, wherein Elohim, willing more abundantly to show unto the heir of promise the immutability of his counsel, confirmed it by an oath, that by two immutable things, in which it was impossible for Elohim to lie, we might have a strong consolation, who have fled for refuge, to lay hold upon the hope set before us. Which hope we have as an anchor of the soul, both sure and steadfast, and which enters into that within the veil, whether the forerunner is for us entered, even Yahushua, made a high priest forever, after the order of Melchizedek.